22nd, 1975. Mere weeks after Manson crazy, Lynette Squeaky Fromm tried to assassinate President Gerald Ford in Sacramento. Another woman, Sarah Jane Moore, tries to kill him in San Francisco. Ms. Moore's efforts are thwarted when her shot is deflected by passerby Oliver Sipple, who enjoys a brief moment of public heroism before he is outed in the press as a homosexual. A secret he's kept from his mother, who never speaks to him again. Spiraling downwards, Sipple becomes an alcoholic and balloons up to 300 pounds, ultimately dying and lying in his apartment, unfound for 2 weeks. All of which goes to show you that no good deed goes unpunished. This has been yesterday's newslet. A look back on forgotten gaffes, slip-ups, faux pas, and other snippets of great historical embarrassment.